pour le septième semaine, for the 7 in this week 7. Today, inshallah, we start a new lesson, but we complete what we started the last time. The last time we talked about the same title, Il est comment, but we started with how we can talk about the name and using verb avoir and verb to have and verb to be. Verb s'appuyer also about the name. Today, inshallah, we talk about how we can describe any person as physically and as a character. So we start the last question we started before together is tu as un ami, tu as un ami, tu as un ami. We talked it before. I say oui, j'ai un ami. Oui, j'ai un ami. I'm using here verb to have. Yes, verb to have. Tu as, you have. Oui, j'ai is me. I have, j'ai. I said j'ai un ami. Oui, j'ai un ami. The same idea if I say tu as un frère. Oui, j'ai un frère. Tu as une sœur. Tu as une sœur. Oui, j'ai une sœur, if you want. Or, je n'ai pas de sœur, je n'ai pas de frère. But normally we say oui, j'ai. After that, I have, j'ai un ami or un frère or une sœur, as you like. That we took before, and we know how we can answer now this question. Tu as un ami? Oui, j'ai un ami. Il s'appelle comment? Il s'appelle, after that, his name. Now we try to discover something, verb to be. Verb to be, here we'll use it because we'll try to describe any person as a character, and we must use this one. As a physically sometime, but mainly if I want to describe any person as a character, I must describe using verb to be. Verb to be, I start with je suis. I can say je suis also. The French people say that, but je suis is me am. Tu es is me you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are the many persons. Ils sont, they are. Elles sont, they are the girls. Again, je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Why you need verb to be here? Because I want to describe the person as a character. As a character, the title of the lesson talk about il est comment, how is he, as a character or as a physically. As a character at the beginning, il est comment. I say il est, he is, il est what? As a character. Il est beau. Here is physically also. Beau is meaning beautiful. Il est beau. Attention, the last three letters E, A, U, E, A, U together. I say it O together. Beau. Il est beau. Elle est gentil. Gentil is mean kind. Gentil. Il est amoureux. Attention here, il est. Why you say the letter T here? Because I have vowel. The letter, the word amoureux start with vowel. So I say il est amoureux. Not like beau. Il est beau. Elle est gentil. But here il est start with vowel. So I say il est amoureux. Lovely. Love the persons. Curieux is have curiosity. Il est curieux is not good character. Il est curieux. Il est beau, gentil, amoureux, mais curieux, but he has curiosity. So il est comment? I can say now that the word and the opposite. If I want to make it il est beau, for example, he is not beautiful. I can say pas beau. Pas is mean not. Il est beau, it's beautiful. It's ugly, I say il est pas beau. I have another word for ugly, but it's more easy for you. Il est beau, il est pas beau. Il est beau, pas beau. So we can make it like that all the time, the word and the object, the opposite. Il est gentil, or pas gentil, pas gentil. Il est gentil, pas gentil. Il est gentil, pas gentil. Again, il est. Here you see amour. I will say il est amoureux ou il est amoureux. Il est amoureux. Il est amoureux. Il est amoureux. Pas amoureux. Pas amoureux because they have S after that vowel. I must change it by Z like we make it in the hours. Il est amoureux. Il est pas amoureux. Attention here. Il est pas. So I saw. Look at here, I don't say l'étam, I don't pronounce the letter T because before I have il est amoureux is voyelle here, pas amoureux, il est pas, directly without the letter T because I start with P is not vowel, il est amoureux, il est pas amoureux, il est pas amoureux, il est amoureux, pas amoureux. So now we know how can describe the person and the boy. If I talk about also il est beau, gentil, amoureux, curieux, or pas curieux. Pas curieux. You don't have this character, bad character. I say il est curieux or il est pas curieux. So we know it now that the characters, how can describe a person, the boy, the character. Il est beau, gentil, amoureux, pas curieux. For example, il est beau, gentil, amoureux, pas curieux. If I talk about the girl, it is elle. So I say il by elle. Elle est comment? Elle est comment? Elle est comment? Elle est. Before I say elle est beau, no. Have it girl, I say elle est belle. Elle est belle. I change it beau by belle. Elle est gentille. The same, but I will add two letters. I say L and E. I say gentille. Before I say gentil, gentille. So a small difference. It's gentil before for the boy, gentille for the girl. It's me kind. Elle est amoureux for the boy. Il est amoureux. Elle est amoureuse. Elle est amoureuse. Elle est amoureuse. After that, elle est curieuse. Elle est curieuse. Elle est curieuse or pas curieuse. I can say belle or pas belle. Gentille, pas gentille. Amoureuse, pas amoureuse. Curieuse or pas curieuse. So I will add before the adjective pas to make a negative or the opposite character. So we can look at here is curious, we see it before. Now we can make a comparison between il and elle. For masculin, beau. For féminin, I say belle. For masculin, I say gentil. For féminin, I say gentille. For masculin, I say amoureux. Amoureux. For féminin, I say amoureuse. Amoureuse. Curieux. Curieuse. Look at all the time for female, I must add letter E in the end of the adjective. Sometimes I add two letters, sometimes I say I add only one letter, like we'll see after that also, inshallah. So, il est, I say il est beau, il est gentil, il est amoureux, pas curieux. Elle est belle, elle est gentille, elle est amoureuse, pas curieuse. Add the bad adjective. We can now to use verb to have to describe add a character, a verb to be also here, also to describe someone, add a character also. No, here add a physically. Physically add a body. The body is what? Il est, here I use verb to be to describe only something, one something. Il est grand. Grand is meaning is a big, taller. Il est grand. Il est grand. But if it's female, I say elle est grande. I will add the letter E. For the next boy is the opposite. Il est grand also? No. Il est petit. Il est petit. If it's girl, I say il est petit. Elle est petite. Il est grand. Elle est grande. I must pronounce the letter D here for female. Il est petit. Elle est petite for female. Here I use verb to be. I say il est grand. Look at it, il est grand. Elle est petit. On the left side, il est grand. And the right side is il est petit. But it is between that and that. So I say il est de taille moyenne. Il est de taille moyenne. Il est grand. Elle est petit. Elle est de taille moyenne. Oh, now I describe the person as physically now, but using verb to be. Il est grand. Il est petit. Il est de taille moyenne. Now I want you describe the person as physically. Also, I need to know the verb to have. What the person has exactly, the hair, the eyes, the body, in the part of the body exactly to describe this person. To note verb to have, j'ai is meaning I have. J'ai. Tu as, j'ai, tu as, il or elle l'a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. J'ai means I have, tu as, you have, il a, he has, elle a, she has, nous avons, we have, vous avez, you and the plural, you have as plural. Ils ont, they have. Elles ont, they have also other girls. We can now use the verb to have. Look at il or elle la. Here, if I want to use verb to have to describe a person, is not affect on the word come after verb to have, not like verb to be. Verb to be when I describe the person as a character is changed from masculine and feminine. But here female or male. But here because I use verb to have is only he or she has what exactly, as eyes or hair or what. Look, to start with the elle a des yeux. Elle a des yeux. Eyes. We take it in grade 2. Elle or elle a des yeux. Des yeux. The eyes. After I would know the color of these eyes. Il a or elle a des yeux. Des yeux bleus. Elle a des yeux bleus. Or elle a des yeux bleus. Il or elle a des yeux verts. Il or elle a des yeux noirs. Il or elle a des yeux marrons. Il or elle a des yeux bleus, verts, noirs, marrons. For example, I say, j'ai un ami, I have a friend. Il est gentil, il est grand, ou il est de taille moyenne. Il a des yeux verts. Il est beau. Elle a des yeux verts, for example. We can go another one. Il or elle, also. Il or elle a des cheveux. Des cheveux, we take it also in grade 2. Des cheveux is meaning here. Elle a des cheveux. Des cheveux, cheveux what? Elle a des cheveux blancs, brun, roux is like is orange one, blanc, brun, roux, noir. Il ou elle a des cheveux blancs, bruns, roux, noirs. Also, we can say something else. Il ou elle a des lunettes. Maybe. Elle a des lunettes. He has glasses. Elle a des lunettes. Like this person. Elle a des lunettes. Or, il ou elle n'a pas. Or, a pas. Il ou elle l'a pas. A pas, not. Or, n'a pas, if you want. But the French people say the oral pas, exactly, to make a negative one. Pas directly. Pas de lunettes. Il a pas de lunettes directly. Il a pas de lunettes. Pas de lunettes. Pas de lunettes. Il a de lunettes or pas de lunettes. Il ou elle a, for example, here not elle because the female don't have mustache. Il a une moustache. Il a une moustache. Or il a une barbe. Or not. So il a pas de moustache. Il a pas de barbe. Like this person. Look at the difference between that and that. Il a une moustache. Il a une barbe. The next one. Il a pas de moustache. Il a pas de barbe. Now I describe the person. Good. I can say, for example, if I want to describe myself, I say je suis, for example, je suis grand, or je suis petit, or je suis de taille moyenne. J'ai des yeux, or j'ai deux yeux, either two eyes or eyes. J'ai des yeux, or deux yeux, vert, or bleu, whatever. J'ai des cheveux courts, longs, short or not short. And the color of this here is brun or blanc or noir or roux. Like we'll see in this activity, for example. This activity, we'll talk about this one. Here we'll listen activity for the DELF exam. We can listen now. Exercise is very important. It's very important. For écoute et montre. So we'll listen now this dialogue to know which one talk about. The dialogue we talk about the person, the name, and the character for this person, and physically to know it this person. We can listen together and answer, inshallah.
Activité 4. Écoute et montre. Kilima est petite. Lucie est grande. Jonathan est petit. Raphaël est grand.
Okay, we can listen again and we answer.
Activité 4. Écoute et montre. Kilima est petite.
Climat est petite, so talk about female.
Lucie est grande.
Grand, so female, this one grande.
Jonathan est petit.
Petit, donc c'est petit,
Raphaël est grand.
grand. So look at now the difference between grand and grande. We know it, the first one, the right one is male, so I may say grand, pas grande. Here is grande, female, petit et petite. So I have a difference between pronunciation to know it is boy or a girl. We go to another activity now, but we read this compréhension écrite before we talk about something is oral. Now we talk about something is written, we read it together and we talk about what. So Iman, présente sa famille. Lit la lettre et entoure la bonne photo. So that this girl represent her family. So we can from the family from the letters she sent it for her colleague Lucy. We can know it which photo we talk about exactly, which family we talk about. So we can read it together. Salut Lucie. Salut is mean hi Lucie. Voici une photo de ma famille. This is my photo, the photo for my family. Voici une photo de ma famille. Mon père est grand. Mon père est grand. My father est grand is mean big. Et a les cheveux, the hair of this person, my father, court is short. Et noir. So the three is what is the three photos is court. Noir so is black. So we go to the photo for the father is black. Don't we so have two photo now? It's black. So we can go again, complete it to more understand. Elle a les yeux verts. Elle a les yeux verts. The eyes is green, so the two photos also green. Il a une moustache. Look at here. Il a une moustache. He had what? Il a une moustache. So it's easy to know it now, but complete it also to more understand. Ma mère est grande. My mother is big. Elle a les cheveux bruns. Elle a les yeux bleus. The eyes is bleu. So we know it now. Mon frère, my brother, a des lunettes. He has the glasses. Elle a les yeux bleus. Elle a les cheveux noirs. Ma sœur est petite. Elle a les yeux verts et les cheveux bruns. Elle a des lunettes. À bientôt, Iman. So it's easy one. So this one is easy. We know it from the word moustache anyway, but it's all talk about this person, this photo. Voici une photo de ma famille. Mon père est grand, a les cheveux et a les cheveux courts et noirs. So talk about this two words. So we talk about the last two photos. Elle a les yeux verts. So it's still the same two photos, but il a une moustache, so we talk about this photo is clear. Ma mère est grande et elle a les cheveux bruns. Elle a les yeux bleus. Mon frère a des lunettes. Elle a les yeux bleus et les cheveux noirs. Ma sœur est petite. Elle a les yeux verts et les cheveux bruns. Elle a des lunettes. À bientôt, Iman. So we talked about how we can describe a person as a character and as a physically is very important, inshallah. We talked now about the dictation for this week. We talk about Ali, il est grand. Ali, il est grand. Ali is my friend or my brother. Il est grand, is big. Il est grand, beau et gentil. Salma, elle est petite, belle et gentille. Ali est grand, beau et gentil. Salma, elle est petite, belle et gentille. Merci à vous, Inch'Allah, à la prochaine. On va continuer nos cours pour les delphins, Inch'Allah. Merci à vous et à la prochaine.